Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Recorded yourself in front of a green screen and want to change out that background? In this video, let me show you how I do it in Capcut. Let's go. There are actually 3 options to remove the green screen background in your video. These tools aren't included in the free version of Capcut. With Premium, you unlock more advanced features, including more precise background removal tools that work with AI, plus access to a huge library of effects, transitions, and stock footage. I personally use the Premium version, and in my opinion, it's worth the money. You can check the link in the description box below. Using this link, you'll receive a significant discount on the monthly and yearly subscriptions. Okay, let's get back to the actual topic. First, make sure you've downloaded and installed the Capcut desktop video editor. Then launch it on your computer. Sign in to your account. Then proceed to this button to create a new project and access the editing window. From here, click Import to add the video and put it into the editing interface. With your video on the editing timeline, open the Video tab on the right side panel and select Remove BG. From the options, when it comes to removing the solid color background, I prefer to use the Chroma Key. Chroma Key is a visual effect and post-production technique that separates the background from the subject. To use it in Capcut, tick the checkbox next to the Chroma Key function. This presents you with a color picker and sliders to adjust its intensity. Click the marker icon for the color picker and hover your mouse pointer over the video in the player. Select on the screen color you intend to remove. To apply the effect, drag the strength slider to the right or use the arrows to set your preferred percentage. You can also control the shadow intensity, feather edge, and cleanup edge until you achieve your desired results. Alternatively, the auto removal function can help remove an unwanted Chroma Key background. Once your video is on the timeline, click this feature and wait for the process to reach 100%. This automatically removes the green screen video background, leaving you with the subject in the foreground. Enhance the effect further by adding strokes, like paper strokes, luminescence, and hand-drawn styles. You can adjust the size, spacing, and object texture of these strokes. However, the auto cutout method only works for videos with human figures. Another method to remove the green screen background is custom removal. You can use this if the automatic background removal feature doesn't produce clean or accurate results. This often happens when there isn't a clear distinction between the subject and the background, such as when the subject has similar colors to the background, or when there are intricate details like hair or fur. To use this, select the Smart Brush tool and apply it to the subject that will be detected and remove the green screen background right away. After you are done removing the green screen background, click Export. This allows you to adjust the video exporting settings, such as folders to save video, resolution up to 4K, bitrate, and codec. You can also set the frame rate to 24 to 60 FPS and export the video as MP4 or MOV. Click Export and the video will download to your device. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.